Hello friends, I'm back with a brand new video. In this video I'm going to take a few trades and will explain every aspect behind the trade. So, I would really appreciate if you subscribe and follow the channel. And thanks a lot if already subscribed. Before starting, I have an announcement to share. Number 1. I made a package of videos for educational purposes. Number 2. I do manage funds for them, who has money but lack of knowledge or shortage of time. So, you are requested to contact me for details if you are interested in any of them. You can find the contact details in the video description below. And, please join me on the Telegram channel, where I publish updates regularly along with chart analysis. I would really appreciate if you support me by hitting the thumbs up buttons and writing to me how you feel about the video. Your support can inspire me to make more video in the future.
Okay, so let's analyze this market. This is, we can say, strong downtrend. Okay. From this level you can see seller's entry. This is, I think, round number 2. Yes, but I need confirmation to go with buyers. Okay, let's see, we have 10 seconds. Okay, now I'm going with sellers. I have placed here lower option because this is seller's entry and this is a breakout candle. Again, we can see on levels here, though this is very strong buyer's entry, but between this candle I saw some seller's entry. So this candle definitely will close as a weak candle. It means it will close below my entry point. That's the reason I have placed here lower option. As we can see, most of the candle has strong rejection by the sellers. You can see rejection. See, so this is winning trade. If you are new in the channel, I would really appreciate if you subscribe and follow the channel. Please contact me if you want to learn A to Z about candlestick psychology, how to predict next candle, and all about candlestick psychology. Let me check some levels. This is quite good level, but okay, I'm going with sellers for next minute here. Okay, I decide to go with sellers for next minute because you can see this is very strong levels, SNR levels actually. You can see very strong SNR levels. Okay, sellers entry, price action here. Again we can see sellers, buyers, sellers. So a lot of price action here. So I am expecting next candle, not this candle. Next candle will close as a red candle or very weak candle. That's the reason I placed here lower option for 2 minutes, because you can see this is very strong candle. Strong candles reverse the market, strong candles reverse the market, and main thing is this is a SNR level, so this level should respect by this candle. Okay. Don't jump in trading until you have proper knowledge. So you can see very strong sellers entry. So it's a winning trade. We can place. Okay, this is an uptrend. Check this. Okay, allow to close this candle because I don't have enough confidence in this trade, so better to avoid. Or let's check some others here. This downtrend market, sellers starting, but this is a buyer's levels. Okay, now I'm going with buyers. This is a buyer's entry levels. Okay, can close at the level, buyer's entry, again close, strong buyer's entry, again candle close at the levels with some rejection. So I'm expecting this candle will close at least as a small red or green candle. So if the candle close small red, still I'll win this trade because of my entry point. So let's see. Okay, see, this is winning trade. So entry point is very important. Actually, I have wait for good confirmation here. Uh, as you saw that I didn't place instant trade here because this is previously you can see single red candle, and this candle is little bigger than this candle, and now you can see three red candle. So it can happen something like this, the candle can close below than this level, but when I saw some confirmation by the buyer, then I decide to place trade. So now okay, why I'm using uneven amount. This is not a compound trading. I'm using uneven amount because if I lost, I want my amount should be figure, good figure with round number. That's the reason I just risk uneven amount all the times. So this is very strong levels, but this time we can't go with sellers because it's already tested several times, so there are more chance to break the levels. So I will not place trade here. Okay. Okay, the time is gone, so that trade does not last. Okay, this is downtrend market. So okay, I'm going with sellers as very strong momentum and trend is down too. So I'm expecting sellers will enter in this candle. Let's see. So this is very strong rejection by the buyers. Let's see what happened here. And don't worry about any losses. Loss is common. So if you place some trade, there can be one or two losing trade too. Okay, so I think I can lose this trade, but at the end, what happened? Okay, at the end, oh, luck. Though the candle made a green, but I have on this trade. This candle made a green candle because of this strong rejection. So there was a momentum. Sometime it happens. Now, let's see. Okay, as you can see that previously I told you this level has been tried several times. This is a very strong levels, you can see very strong levels. See, first buyers tried, very strong momentum. Few sellers entry, again buyers tried but failed. Again buyers tried. Again you can see buyers tried again and again, and this time see market is going up from here. So there are more chance to break these levels now. That's the reason I didn't place trade here, because after this candle sometimes there can be a small red candle too. So I don't want to risk here. Okay, let's see, buyers are trying. Okay, again same situation here, you can see this is trying several times, but I will, okay, let's see, I'll try to take a risk here, but no, after this candle I will not placed, because this is very confusion candle. I'm looking for some good trade. And on things that I do not use any indicator either in binary or forex too, I just use solid price actions. So if you want to learn about price actions or psychology of candle, you can contact me. You can find the contact details in the video description below. Okay, what happened here? See, this is confused. And when you see any strong momentum, that time you should think that there should not place a reverse trade when the market reach these levels. Only you can place reverse trade when you have complete breakout by single candle, not a double candle. Double candle means, let me clear, this is a single candle, because let's say this is a levels, strong levels previously. So this is a single candle breakout. So after this breakout, this kind of breakout, you can go with sellers. Okay. In my educational video, you will have each and everything. How another thing is that I'm going to make a video about 2 hours longer, only for sure short. So I'll let you know once the video is ready. Hoping this week I can complete this video. I have collected all the data. Okay, so it's already going down, and this is a gap down. So very confusion. Okay, I'll wait to close this candle, then I'll decide. If there is no gap down, then I could go with sellers, but as this is a gap down, so I will not take any decision here. Please join me on Telegram channel where I publish updates regularly along with chart analysis, and you can learn a lot from the channel. See, it's result of gap down. So as I told you, and found any gap up or down in any candle, then better to avoid. Okay, here let's see only like single pips. Okay, so I supposed to go with sellers here. Okay, I'm going with sellers. Let's see, and this is a risky trade for me. So buyers already entered. I can lose this trade, but still I'm expecting that I'll win this trade because of candle psychology, but it will not work all the time in OTC. Sometime it failed. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to lose this trade, I think. Yes, I have lost this trade. Okay, no problem. So I'll place one more trade with $40. If I win, then I'll stop trading for today. Thanks to hear that the educational video is helping traders to achieve 80% of winning ratio. And yes, if you follow all of the strategy and rules from the video, definitely your winning ratio will be above than the 80% for all the times. I will not push or request you to collect the course. Learn yourself if you can, but do not trade unless you are master in trading. And another thing is, when you see any breakout, something like this, as if you consider this is a level, so this is a breakout. If level breakout by any side and again it came back, then this side also you can expect a breakout. Or if it return from this level, then you can expect a trend reversal. But if failed and enter again in this zone, then it will break the level again at the opposite side. I would really appreciate if you support me by hit the thumbs up buttons and write me how do you feel about the video. Let's see, I'll play some trade at least. Gap up, so you should check each and every possibilities. Now candle close at the levels. Okay, I'll go with sellers, but I need some confirmation. No confirmation yet, because I'm considering that 5-second candlesticks. Okay, I decide to go with sellers with $40 because I lost that previous trade here, $30. So that's the reason. If I win, then I can recover my previous loss here. Okay, let's see. Still we have 20 seconds. Recently, I saw some of channel copy my trade and publish their channel. So be careful about online scammer. As I told you, if I win the trade, I will stop trading for today. I think I am going to win the trade. So till now, I have placed 6 trades out of 6. I have only one loss. Thank you so much for watching the video.